how to modify the header of Lalilala. As you can see, here is the header. The header is a super important part of your website because it gives consistency and it gives a journey of what you want to experience your user. So here is the menu, like a simple tip that I can give you right here that is important to be concrete and direct. So it's cool that you have a logo. It's nice that you have a couple of what you do, like your service, the title of your company, and your menu. That's it. You don't need anything else. So if you want to modify, if you just say, okay, no, I want to change the menu and just let it sit in the first one, that is not recommendable. You just move it down from the green line. So the green line is the one who is dividing your header with your content. Remember, the header is going to show in all of your pages. So you say, I don't want to show the menu. So you move it down and you are going to receive a pop-up saying that you remove your header. As I say, the menu, it's important to have it in every single page. So we are going to put it back. Make sure that you put it over the green line, and then as well you are going to receive a pop-up saying that the component moved to the header. That's how you modify a header on Lalilala.